In this video, we will learn how to activate payments with Stripe. And if you're not familiar with Stripe, Stripe.com is one of the premier online payment processors in the world. And you can set up your own merchant account through them and connect it to your Bookme account. And I'm going to show you how. So you can go to settings and click payment integrations. Here you'll see many options. We are adding additional options soon, like Square, Clover, and PayPal. But right now, we recommend you connect your Stripe account. And all you have to do is click connect. And this is going to take you directly to Stripe's onboarding flow, which will take you anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes if you have your information. So now you can see you are on stripe.com. It's a co-branded page, and you just need to go through their workflow. If you already have a Stripe account, then you can enter in your email address here. You'll be prompted to enter in the password, and it'll just connect your account instantly. If you don't have a Stripe account, it'll walk you through a 4 and 5 step process to add your information, provide, if you're a business or individual, provide your social security number or EIN number, provide your corporate documents, your bank information, your payout settings, etc. And it's about a 5 to 7 minute process, which you'll need to do to accept payments directly through Stripe, through your own merchant account. That's it.